Sometimes we feel disconnected from Allah. We feel that perhaps our heart isn't attached to Allah and in love with Allah as much as we want to. What are some of the things that we can do? Firstly, to really know who Allah is, know who He is in relation to us, what He does for us, what He has given us in terms of our life, our existence, our faith, and all the beautiful things that Allah Azza wa Jal has bestowed upon us. But also to know that if we're keen to reconnect with Him, He is more keen, exponentially more keen to reconnect with us than we are to reconnect with Him. The Prophet ﷺ tells us that if a servant turns to Allah for a handspan, Allah turns to them a cubit length. And if the servant turns to Allah for a cubit length, Allah turns to them for a furlong. And if they come to Allah walking, Allah comes to them running. Nothing's more beloved to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala than a servant of His that truly has an eagerness to connect to Him, an eagerness to turn to Him, an eagerness to establish a relationship with Him. And we can do this by reflecting upon those blessings that He has bestowed upon us. Sallallahu sallam ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.